Yo, what's up everybody? It's Padmaraj here, and today we're talking about something that sounds like it's straight out of science fiction, but it's totally real, augmented reality, or AR. Now, you've probably heard of VR virtual reality, where you're completely immersed in a digital world. But AR is different. It's all about bringing digital elements into world. Think of it like this. What if your phone, or maybe even your glasses, could overlay digital images, information, even three-dimensional objects right on top of your view of the real world? That's AR in a nutshell, and that's what we're diving into today. We're going to explore how this tech is changing the game in everything from how we have fun to how we work, how we learn, and even how doctors do some pretty incredible things. We're talking next-level stuff here. So, if you've ever wondered how AR is changing the world around us, or if you're just curious about the future of tech, you definitely want to stick around for this one. Let's get started. When it comes to AR, gaming is probably the first thing that comes to mind for a lot of people. And for good reason. It's one of the areas where AR has really blown up. I mean, think about it. Who hasn't wanted to catch their own Pokemon or battle fantastical creatures in their own backyard? That's exactly what AR games like Pokemon Go made possible. Remember a few years back when everybody and their grandma was out on the streets, glued to their phones, trying to catch them all? That was AR in action, blending the digital and real worlds seamlessly. You're looking at your phone's screen, which is showing you your actual surroundings, but boom! Suddenly, a Pikachu appears right there on the sidewalk in front of you, ready to be caught. That's the magic of AR gaming. It takes the digital world and overlays it onto your reality, creating an immersive and interactive experience that just wasn't possible before. And it's not just Pokemon Go. We're seeing more and more AR games popping up, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From puzzle games to shooters to adventure games, Arkansas is changing the gaming landscape, one digital monster, treasure chest, or enemy at a time. Okay, let's talk about shopping, because AR is changing that game too, making the whole experience way more interactive and honestly less risky. Ever bought a piece of furniture online, got it home, and then realized it looks absolutely nothing like it did in the picture? Or maybe it just doesn't fit right in your space? Yeah, we've all been there, but now, thanks to AR, you can avoid those buyer's remorse moments. Companies like IKEA are using AR to let you try before you buy from the comfort of your own home. Using the IKEA app, you can literally hold your phone up to your living room, and the app will use your camera to show you exactly what that new sofa, coffee table, or bookshelf will look like in your space. You can move it around, rotate it, even walk around it to see how it fits. This is huge because it takes the guesswork out of online shopping. You can make sure that the piece you're eyeing actually works in your space before you commit to buying it. It's like having a virtual interior designer right in your pocket. And it's not just furniture. We're seeing AR pop up in all kinds of retail, from clothes and shoes to makeup and even cars. All right, now let's get serious for a second, because AR isn't just about fun and games. It's also making a real difference in the medical field. We're talking about life-saving stuff here. For example, surgeons can now use AR technology during complex surgeries. Imagine this, they're operating and they have these special glasses that overlay critical information, like the patient's vital signs or three-dimensional models of the organs they're working on, right onto their field of vision. Talk about having X-ray vision. This means doctors can have all the information they need right there in front of them, without having to look away from the patient. It's like something out of a futuristic medical drama, but it's real and it's happening right now. And it's not just surgery. AR is being used for everything from training future doctors to helping patients with rehabilitation. AR is changing the game for both medical professionals and patients, making healthcare more precise, efficient, and ultimately more effective. Let's be real, traditional textbooks can be kind of, well, boring, right? But AR is changing that, making learning much more engaging and interactive. Imagine holding up your phone or tablet to a picture in your textbook, and suddenly, boom, a three-dimensional model of the solar system pops up, letting you explore the planets and their orbits in detail. Or maybe you're learning about ancient Rome and you can point your device at the Colosseum in your book and watch it come to life with AR, showing you what it looked like in its prime. This is the power of AR in education. It can take abstract concepts and make them tangible, bringing learning to life in a way that textbooks just can't match. Students can interact with three-dimensional models, explore historical sites, or even dissect virtual frogs without, the whole actual frog part. This kind of immersive learning experience can make a huge difference in how well students understand and retain information. We're just scratching the surface of what AR can do in the classroom, and I don't know about you, but I wish I had this kind of tech when I was in school. Ever wonder how things are made, like the actual process of assembling a car or a smartphone? It's pretty complex. And AR is playing a big role in making those processes more efficient and less prone to errors. And imagine this. You're working on an assembly line and you're wearing a pair of AR glasses. These aren't your average spectacles. These glasses can overlay digital instructions, diagrams, and even real-time guidance right onto your field of view. So, instead of having to constantly look back and forth between a paper manual and the parts you're assembling, you have all the information you need right there in front of your eyes. This is a game changer for productivity, accuracy, and even worker safety. And it's not just happening in factories. We're seeing AR being used in fields like construction, logistics, and even field service, where technicians can use AR glasses to troubleshoot problems in real time. So as you can see, Arkansas is no longer some futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's changing the world around us in some pretty incredible ways. From catching digital monsters in our neighborhoods to helping surgeons perform life-saving operations, Arkansas is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And the crazy thing is, we're still in the early stages of this technology. As AR hardware and software continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more mind-blowing applications emerge in the years to come. Who knows what the future holds for AR? Maybe one day we'll all be wearing AR glasses every day, interacting with the world in ways we can only imagine right now. One thing's for sure, it's going to be an exciting ride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.